Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to copy code from Lovable AI to VS Code. All right, let's begin. First, open the official Lovable AI website and sign into your account. Now, there are two ways to do it. First method includes exporting the code, and the second method allows you to edit code online. For the first method, access the code section inside the project and then download the individual files to your PC to edit them locally. For the second method, link your project with GitHub. Simply click the GitHub icon at the top right corner of the page and follow the prompts to connect your repository securely. After linking GitHub, click on the GitHub icon and select the option that allows you to edit the code in VS Code. Click on it and this will open your project directly in VS Code. Once opened, you can edit the code without any restrictions, making it easy to customize, test, and improve your project. So that's basically how you can copy code from Lovable AI to VS Code. That's it for this video. Thanks.